Okay, so let's go over some drug calculation. So y'all gonna be doing this for anesthesia. We're gonna give you a drug dose. And you're gonna have to calculate how much you're gonna be giving the patient. So we're gonna go over how to do this real quick. So we're just gonna go over a few examples, go through the steps. Some people do it kind of differently, but I always found this way to be the easiest. So let's start off with Buprenex. It's a pretty common drug used. So Buprenex, 0.6 mg per mil. So this is the concentration. And let's say your vet gives you a dose of, she wants the patient to get 0.02 mg per kg. All right. And then let's say the dog weighs, let's start off with 45 pounds. So this is pretty much all the info you're gonna get. You're gonna get your concentration of your drug and then the dose from the vet, then how much your patient weighs. And then it's pretty much your job to use this information and then get the mils of how much you're gonna give the patient. So there's pretty much 3 steps that I like to take when figuring this out. So the first step is going to get the kgs, the pounds, into kgs. So you have your pounds, but you need to get that to kgs because you're using kgs for your dose. So remember, kgs is your pounds divided by 2.2. So we're going to take 45 divided by 2.2. And let's do that together. 45 divided by 2.2 equals 20.45. So that's your first step. Your second step is going to take those kgs and multiply it by this mg right here. So kgs times mg. So 20.45 times 0.02. So 20 times 0.02. That's going to give us 0.4 mg. And then your third step is just going to take this 0.4 and divide that by the concentration. So that'll be 0.6, which is the concentration. So 0.4 divided by 0.6, that equals 0.68. So that is going to be the amount you're going to be given to your patient. So I would pretty much round that up to 0.7. So you would be giving this patient 0.7 mils of Buprenex. And that's how you do it. So not too bad. Let's do another one. Let's see. Let's do Buprenex one more time, just because stay on the safe track. So remember, that's the concentration. Let's do the same dose of 0.02 mg per kg. Let's say our patient weighs 20 pounds. So first step, pounds to kgs. So 20 divided by 2.2. That's going to be 9.09. Second step, kgs times mgs. So 9.09 times 0.02. That equals 0.18. And then third step is at 0.18 divided by the concentration, which is 0.6. And that equals 0.3. So you will be giving this patient 0.3 mils of Buprenex. All right. Not too bad. Let's try a different drug. Just keep doing. The more the merrier. Get a little cloth rag. Okay, so let's use alfaxalone. That's a really popular drug. And the concentration of this drug is 10 mg per mil. And let's say the doctor orders dosage of 2 mg per kg. And our dog weighs, let's say 60 pounds. He's a big boy. All right, so we got all of our information. So first step, pounds to kgs, 60 divided by 2.2. Sorry, 60 divided by 2.2, 27.27. All right. Okay, and then second one is kgs times mgs, so 27.27 times 2 is 54. And then your third is going to be 54 divided by the concentration. And the concentration of alfaxalone is going to be 10. So 54 divided by 10 is 5.45. So you would be giving this patient, I would probably just go ahead and round up to 5.5. So 5.5 mils of alfaxalone. All right. Let's go to a cat drug. Some tinier numbers. So let's see, what's a pretty common? Midazolam, that's a good one. So midazolam, the concentration for that is 5 mg per mil. Let's say we're doing a dose of 0.2 mg per kg. Let's say our cat weighs 6 pounds. All right, so first thing, pounds to kgs, 6 divided by 2.2. I'm losing my calculator. 6 divided by 2.2 is 2.7. 2.72 if you want to get specific. So next thing is going to be your kgs times mgs. So 2.72 times 0.2. 0.2. So it's going to be 0.54. And then lastly is going to be 0.54 divided by the concentration. And our concentration for midazolam is 5. So 0.54 divided by 5 is going to be 0.1. So this cat is going to be getting 0.1 mils of midazolam. All right. So those cats, they get pretty small amounts. So don't get nervous when you see these really small amounts because that's pretty normal for cats. They're just really small. All right. And let's do one more. Let's do it. Try to trick you. So let's do acepromazine on a dog. So usually the acepromazine concentration is 1 mg per mil. You want a dose of 0.02 mg per kg. Let's say our patient weighs 22 pounds. All right, so again, pounds to kg, so 22 divided by 2.2. Yes, it does seem like easy math, but I always do everything in my calculator, no matter how simple it may look. So that's gonna be 10. And then 10 times your 0.02, because mgs times kg. All right, so 2.2, and then times 0.02. It's gonna be 0.2. And then again, 0.2. Divided by your concentration, and your concentration is 1, so it's going to be literally the same thing, so 0.2. So you'd be giving this dog 0.2 mils of acepromazine. All right, so y'all practice those. That's definitely something y'all gonna be doing a lot of. So as long as you have the concentration of your drug, whatever the dosage or the dose that the doctor gives you, and the weight of your dog, you should be able to figure out how many mils you're going to be giving your patient, and then just know whatever route you're going to be giving it, the doctor will let you know that as well. So y'all work on that. I'll probably send out some worksheets later on. Hope you guys practice that. So let me know how it goes. Good luck.